Yo guys, welcome back. It's Fish Dog Gaming here once again today. So we're going to be fishing the Camden pump house. So some of you guys were asking what tackle was I using. So the last video I showed you and it was kind of blurred out and everything. So today it's going to be linked in the description below. So if you want to see that stuff, you can go check out what I'm using, my rod and reels and all that. And this might even help me get a sponsor. So I'll see you guys at the spot. Peace out.
Yo guys, so we just got to the spot. We're walking down. I just seen a bass blow up right over there. There's no one here today really, except me and my granddad. But we're gonna see if we can catch some today. We gotta sneak up on them though. So I'll catch you guys tuned when I catch a big fish. Okay guys, I just decided I'm gonna take a few casts with this Senko. I didn't have any luck on the rattle trap. I'm starting to wonder why no one was here. The fish not biting? Just cast it by the tree over there. See if there's anything over there. Whoa, I just got a hit. Come on, man. Okay guys, I'm taking my first cast out right now. Just got a little red rattle trap. First cast, guys. Reeling it kind of slow. Maybe something will hit it. Okay guys, I'm just throwing this little AAJ swim bait. It's pretty cheap swim bait. I'm not a huge swim bait person. That's why I don't even have the right tackle for swim bait. Dang, I just got nailed. Alright guys, so we're just fishing this little creek over here and see if we can catch anything. I don't know if there's anything in here right now, but we'll see. So yeah. Alright guys, just caught a fish. I don't know how big he is or anything. I think he's pretty big. I don't know, he might be small. Oh no. You didn't come off, did you? He ain't too big. Oh, he's okay. Alright, now how the heck am I gonna get you up? Alright. Please line, don't break. Don't break. Alright. There we go. Don't break my line. Come on, man. Alright guys, so we've been fishing a good hour and that's our first fish. It's a decent 2-pounder, but yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna let him go. He ain't too big. See if we can catch another one. Bye buddy. Okay guys, so I just caught this. Oh my goodness, what the heck? What the crap? Oh my god, I thought that was a bass. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I'll catch you when I catch another fish. All right, guys.
Got off. Did he get off?
Cars that come down this road more than I thought there would when I moved here, but guys, there's a big fish down there. We gotta get him. Gotta get him, guys. Gotta be sneaky. Gotta make sure we don't get snake bit. Gotta get that fish. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw him with my own eyes. And you seen him just hit. I don't know what it is. Got a brim. That's not what I'm looking for though. Alright guys, so caught another Lapome's Grottos right here again. Nice little brim. Healthy brim. Bye-bye, buddy. Hope he lives another day. Okay, now there's something big down there. I saw it with my own eyes, guys. I know it. Oh, I saw it again. It's something big. Guys, there's something big down there. All right, guys, we just caught another fish. I'm not sure what kind it is. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look at this fish, guys. Look at this fish. It's a beautiful sunfish. Oh my goodness. Oh my. It's so small, but it's so pretty. All right, guys, I'm back to the spot over here. See what we can catch now. Put a new cricket on. Oh my goodness. That bobber's just sitting there. Anytime now. If these stop biting, then we're gonna go to another creek and then to my pond to do some bass now. Ooh. I just saw a fish down there that looked different. Like right there. Something's got it, guys. Something's got it. I saw it in the water. Something's got it. Got it. Whoa, that's a big creek chub, guys. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you this, but I'm going to be bass fishing. So let's be real quiet and see what we can catch. This is just my farm pond. By the way, this farm is for sale. So anyone can buy it, but dang, I would miss it. Ooh, big fish. Oh, shoot. Come on now. Come on. There's nothing hitting it today. I really don't know what they like to hit in this pond. Ooh, there's a bass right below me. All right, got some. Oh, man. Got him. Got him. Ooh, it's a nice largemouth, guys. It's a nice largemouth. Oh, my goodness. He's nice. Oh my goodness, come up here, buddy. Ooh, that's a nice largemouth. Oh my goodness. He's decent, guys. He's decent. He's decent. I told you guys there's some big largemouth in this pond. Stop. Are you a good 3-pounder? I don't know how big you are, but dang, am I gonna have to get a picture with you. I was just letting it sink, and this guy just destroyed it, man. That's a nice largemouth. That's a good 3-pounder. I'll weigh him just in case. But guys, you guys stay tuned, and I'll get this thing weighed and a picture of it. All right, till I catch another fish. All right, guys. So we just caught one. That was a 2.5-pound bass. Really, it was. So let's see. Let's do the same thing and just let it drop. It hit it on the fall, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, I just got a hit. Please. Come on, guys. Alright guys, I actually just decided I'm going to take a few more casts. I saw a bass blow up on the surface over there, so maybe I can catch him. Alright guys, so I barely have any SD card space left, so it's going to be kind of tough to finish this video off with just barely any. Only 11 minutes of recording time. But yeah, we're going to try fishing for the last of it. Just with a little cricket. Alright guys. And it's already gone. Wow. Huh. Okay, so I'll catch you guys back. Alright guys, so apparently I just caught the smallest fish in this pond, I think. It's a little brim. Never even seen one this small in the pond. Bye-bye, buddy. They're bigger than that down there, trust me, guys. I know some places where you got pound brim in this pond. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys. Just gonna rig it real simple. This time we're gonna throw it out a little bit further. Alright. There's a big one over there. I want him. I want him. I want him. Got him. Got him. Look at that one. That's a nice one, guys. That is a nice one. That is a pretty brim. Let me get it out of his mouth. It's a pretty one. He'll lip that joker. Alright, bye-bye, buddy. So apparently the crickets couldn't figure a way out how to get out. That's a decent size one, I thought. Come on. Come on, guys. You can come out. It's fine. Get back in. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. There's thousands of them down there. I just want a big one. Wait, let's go throw on a bass or something. Come on, guys. Let's go throw on a bass and see if he'll hit it on the surface. Is there a bass around? Alright guys, barely have any space left. Barely any at all. So we're just gonna stick her. Alright guys, barely have any space left. Barely any at all. So we're just gonna stick right here, see if we can't catch another one. Like legit right as soon as it hits the water, it's gonna get eaten. All right, got him. All right, guys, another little one. Stop flipping around, little buddy. Apparently there's a lot of small ones on this bed. Bye-bye. Apparently my cricket went flying off. Boy, I'm scared to get it. So many snakes this year. Big juicy one. All right, guys. Throwing it out there pretty far this time. Come on. Y'all know what to do. All right, we got him. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a pretty one. All right, guys, that's a pretty fish right there. That's just a little, I think it's just a little red breast. Yeah, little red breast sunfish. Pretty. All right, bye-bye, buddy. All right, guys, we're gonna try catching a couple more fish within this 2 minutes, which I don't even know if it's possible or not, but come on. I thought I had the camera on talking, but dang, is that a pretty fish? I'll hold it like that so you guys can see. All right, let's let him go. Bye-bye, buddy. There's pumpkin seeds, there's red breast, there's even bluegill, and there's all different kinds of Alright, guys, this is my last fish, guys, of the day. If I catch one. Oh, it's small, but it's a fish. Guys, ending it off with a little, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's Yo guys, I'm recording this after the video. I'm about to go fishing once again for the next video. That'll be coming out this coming week. So stay tuned to that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little longer than usual, but I had to get all the good footage in. Thank you guys for watching. It's been Fished Out Gaming here again today, and peace out.